Bengbu Longhua Die Casting Machine Company Limited reshapes high-end manufacturing with innovative technology. We present to you the LH1000T and LH1250T high-speed and high-precision AI fully automatic die casting machines, as well as the two 10 kg die casting robot. LH1100T and LH1250T are jointly developed and manufactured by Bengbu Longhua, Bengbu University, Chinese Academy of Sciences Hefei Institute of Material Sciences. Have won honors of 14 national invention patents and the first major technical equipment certificate in Anhui Province. The intellectual property rights are completely independent. The successful development of LH1100T and LH1250T die casting machines has filled the technological gap in the industry, completely broken the long-term technological monopoly of foreign countries, laid a foundation for competing in the market, and promoted the vigorous development of China's equipment manufacturing industry. Longhua Die Casting Machine, crafting a golden glory with technology, making the world fall in love with Chinese intelligent manufacturing.